Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will show with you how you can delete your Polymarket accounts. So friends, if you go to setting, you can't find any option directly to delete your account. But friends, if you linked any account with your social media, just click and link it from here on this section. And if you have any problem, go to the support team from this option and then click pause and question. Write a question from here, write this simple message, for example, hello there, and write this is a simple message. I want to delete my Polymarket account, and write this message, please help me to do this, and then write this message. After that, complete this chat with the support team till deleted your account. Just follow this option here, change your bio to delete and go to setting and ensure your account has no USD balance. So friends, just follow simple 5 steps here to delete your account without any problem. So friends, this is how you can do to deleted accounts. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this